Tomatoes Farming Secrets Step-by-Step Guide for Maximum Profit. Foundation Stone number 5. That is Integrated Pest and Disease Management, abbreviated as IPM. Chemical pesticides are expensive, harmful to beneficial organisms, create resistant pest populations, and leave residues that reduce market value of your tomatoes. Integrated pest management represents a smarter, more economical, and more effective approach that combines cultural, biological, and mechanical control methods, using chemical pesticides only as a last resort. IPM practitioners typically reduce pesticide costs by between 40 to 60% while achieving better pest control and higher yields. Let's look at step-by-step implementation of this method. Begin with prevention through the practices already discussed above. Healthy soil creates healthy plants with strong natural defenses. Proper spacing improves air circulation, reducing diseases. And companion planting naturally repels many pests. These are discussed already in the previous videos. Kindly go and watch them. Implement weekly scouting by walking through fields systematically, examining plants for easy signs, for early signs of pest or disease problems. Catch problems early, and solutions are simple and cheap. Wait until infestation are severe, and solutions become expensive and less effective. I'm sure you don't want to do this. I'm sure you don't want to go to this level. Therefore, maintain a simple scouting journal, noting pest presence, damage levels, beneficial insect populations, and weather condition. Patterns will emerge that help you predict and prevent problems. For insect pest management, deploy multiple tactics simultaneously. Use physical barriers like insect netting for young transplants during their most vulnerable period. Install pheromone traps to monitor and capture adult moths before they lay eggs. Apply neem oil or insecticidal soaps for soft-bodied pests like aphids. These organic products are selective, affecting target pests while preserving beneficial insects. Hand-pick large pests like hornworms. Yes, it is labor-intensive, but for small or medium operations, it is highly effective and costs nothing. Release beneficial insects like ladybugs, lacewings, or parasitic wasps if needed. These biological control agents establish populations that provide season-long protection. For disease management, focus on cultural practices. Space plants adequately for air circulation, that is between 18 to 24 inches for determinate varieties, between 24 to 36 inches for indeterminate varieties. Avoid overhead watering that keeps foliage wet. Remove diseased plant materials immediately and practice crop rotation. Never plant tomatoes in the same location more than once every 3 years. Apply preventive biological fungicides containing Bacillus subtilis or Trichoderma species weekly during humid periods. These beneficial microorganisms colonize plant surfaces, preventing pathogenic fungi from establishing itself. If disease pressure is high, Copper-based fungicides are acceptable organic options, though proper timing and coverage are essential. Here is your troubleshooting guide. If pest persists despite IPM practices, reassess your entire system. Persistent pest problems usually indicate underlying issue like poor plant nutrition, water stress, or lack of beneficial insect habitat. If diseases spread rapidly, improve air circulation by pruning lower leaves and ensure you are not overwatering. If biological controls aren't working, check environmental conditions. Many beneficial insects are temperature sensitive and may need protection or different species for your climate. Remember that some pest damage is acceptable. Aim for management, not eradication, which is sustainable and which is unsustainable and unnecessary. The goal is keeping pest populations below economic thresholds, not creating a sterile environment. Tomatoes Farming Secrets Step-by-Step Guide for Maximum Profit. Foundation Stone number 6. Click the link on the description below and be able to watch this very inspiring step-by-step secret